What's going on, guys? It's Austin from Ratchet Wrenches. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick little video about obviously my GTI and the work I've done to it. I have way too much money into it. The car was a wreck before I bought it, but we'll get into it. One of the most noticeable things you can see when you open up the hood is the intake I got. It's a CTS turbo. Costs around 300 bucks. It's 3-inch diameter, and you definitely hear the turbo spool up more, and you get that colder air straight to the turbo. So you're pushing a little more horsepower. They say like 15 to 20 gain, but who knows how accurate that is. Also, if you slide down here in the engine bay, I have a spool and PCV block off plate, which pretty much just relocates the pressure and it gives it a quicker throttle response. And I believe you could do that for just Mark 5s, because Mark 6 and up, the PCV is built into the head. And if you really want to change that, you'd have to relocate or change the head, but that's about it. Alright, we'll come down here. As you can see, I have pretty good fitment in my opinion. I'm on FK Street Lines, which was around like 500 bucks on sale from ECS Tuning. Not the best coilovers. I definitely cheaped out when I bought them. Definitely a rough ride, and I'm pretty sure my rears are blown, but I'm just too lazy to spend any more money on this car. But I think it looks good in my opinion. As you can see, I have some aftermarket rims. I have F1Rs. Alright, so this next mod that I have done is tune on it. It's pretty much like a ECM flash. It's APR stage 2. I know some people go Unitronic and some other ones like Eurodyne, etc. But personally, I want APR. I've heard very good things about them, and it was like 800 bucks to go from no tune to stage 2. All you needed was the intake, the downpipe, and the money, obviously. But you definitely want to do that. It makes the car feel so much more fun, sporty. The downshifts are unreal. Throttle response even more. It's just unreal. And so one of the cheapest mods that I've done is the Euro switch, which allows you to access your fog lights and your running lights all on different functions. I did do a video on that, which I'll tag. It's how to replace it. It's really easy. It's a couple steps and you're in and out. I know most GTIs don't come with a boost gauge, so I actually wired one. I'm half-assed right now. I have to tuck the wire away. I've just been really busy with work, but I'll tuck that in. And right now I'm pushing around 23 pounds of boost. I'm on stage 2 plus, running 93 octane. Another interior mod that I've done is the head unit. The previous one had no Bluetooth or USB jack, so I got one from eBay, which is actually a plug and play. All you had to do is just take out the old one, plug the new one right into the same harness, but it almost looks original. It's got navigation, Bluetooth, games, internet, TV. I mean, obviously you don't need all that stuff while you're driving, but you never know. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I have a red headliner, which actually matches the plaid in the seats, because, you know, Mark 5s are notorious for sagging headliners. So I had to do that. I did that myself. It took about like 2 hours, but the fabric was very cheap actually. It was like $28 for just enough, a little more. So I had excess to play with. I still have more, which I'll probably do the pillars, so just to make it all flow perfectly. And that's pretty much it for the inside. Alright, so now I'm going to do a startup and I'm going to show you my exhaust. I got a USP 3-inch downpipe and then a AWE catback. And I'll show you that right now. Alright, so you guys just heard the exhaust sound on a cold start, so now I'm going to show you the intake and how it pulls and how it sounds. So like I stated before, I have a USP downpipe. It's a 3-inch. It was around $450. And then I have an AWE catback exhaust, which is honestly, I love it. There's no drone. It's got the right tone, the right rumble, the right pitch. It was around $498 or something like that, but of course the prices fluctuate with the economy, so I got that a couple years ago. What you can't see as well, but you might have heard, is the forged blow-off valve. I got that buried right next to the turbo. Now from cosmetics, which you can't see when I previously got the car, this was all fucked up from the previous owner. I don't even know what he did. He must have hit so many objects. Like the front bumper I had to redo. I got that repainted and redone. Let's see. The rear bumper was all cracked. As you can see, it's very fucking dirty, but it was all cracked from, I don't know if they didn't paint it correctly, but it only looked like they did one coat, so it was cracking, and I had to get that done. I actually did that myself, and it came out perfect. I did 3 coats of it, and then 2 coats clear. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the mods and work that I have done. I'm sure I'm forgetting a lot, so don't hate. A lot of maintenance was done for this car. I had to do thermostat, I had to do the timing belt, of course, because I cracked in 80,000 miles. Pretty soon I'm going to be coming out with a video on how to do the intake manifold cleaning, which is a long process. I haven't found any videos on YouTube that explain how to do it properly and how to remove it and how to scrub it clean, because direct injection, all that gunk in there is going to make it rough, idle, misfire. It could create it to have bad fuel economy, but you should really do that every 40,000 miles, and I guarantee the previous owner did not do that, so I'll definitely be doing that. Yeah, so please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and we're Ratchet Wrenches, and see you in the future.